In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix BambooHR login issues. To begin, head over to your BambooHR login page. Before doing anything else, the first and most important step is to check your internet connection. A stable and reliable connection is essential for logging in successfully. Additionally, make sure you are using the correct company subdomain. You can verify this by checking the URL to ensure it matches the link provided by your company. If you have entered your login information correctly but are still unable to sign in, this indicates there may be an issue with your login credentials. The first step in resolving this is to click on the Forgot Password option after entering your email address. You will then have the option to receive an email to reset your password. Open this email in your inbox, click the Reset Password link, and follow the instructions to set a new password. Sometimes, even if you are entering the correct password, BambooHR may experience system glitches. Mostly, if your profile was deactivated and then reactivated by HR in the admin panel, changing your password is usually the most effective solution. If you are not receiving the password reset email, you can ask your HR or admin to reset it on your behalf. Your HR can log into their account, access your profile, click the three dots on the right-hand side, and select the Reset User's Password option. This will allow you to create a new password. In cases where you cannot log in due to two-step authentication and have forgotten your code, your admin can also reset this for you. We have a separate video covering the complete process to reset two-step verification for an employee in BambooHR. These are the most practical and effective ways to resolve login issues in BambooHR. By following these steps, you can regain access to your account efficiently and continue working without interruptions.